Welcome back to Derek's AI World, and in this video, we are going to be doing a comparison between ChatGPT and then Google Bard. So in case you want to know more, just stick around so that you don't skip anything. And let's check whether Google Bard can actually compete with ChatGPT. So I'm actually going to give ChatGPT a prompt and then also give Bard a prompt, the same prompts actually, and then we are going to check time both of them are going to use and respond and then all that, and how in-depth they're actually going to do this. So first, I'm on ChatGPT and I'm going to write a prompt, which the prompt is actually going to be, give me 5 ways I can make money online. This is ChatGPT 3.5 because I'm not upgraded to the plus version, which is ChatGPT 4. So this is actually going to have a very top speed compared to ChatGPT 4. And in my next video, I'll probably just upgrade to ChatGPT 4 and then compare the speed for you guys to see how it works. So I've initiated the prompt and then let's see how ChatGPT is going to respond to this. All right, so it has actually given me the first one as start an e-commerce store, and then the second one as offer online services, and then also create a digital product. And then also, I think these ones are very cool, and it gives you some explanations which are a bit in depth for a very new person, and then they can just move forward to go and look for whatever Shopify is, Etsy is, and then also Amazon is, if in case they don't know anything about it. And then the next one, they start a blog or YouTube channel, and then also invest in cryptocurrency. And that's pretty much very cool. So these are the 5 topics ChatGPT gave me, and then I'm actually going to initiate the same prompt. So I'm going to copy this one here and then ask Bard to do the same thing for us, and we are going to see what Bard is actually going to. So I'm going to put it right here, and then we're going to see what it's really has for us. So I'm going to put in enter, and that is pretty much very cool. So let's see how Bard is actually going to respond to this. And per the speed too, I think Bard was quick on this one compared to ChatGPT, trust me, because the time Bard actually used in looking for this is very, very cool. And the way it pops up too, it pops everything up directly without something maybe is being typed and all that. I don't know, maybe if it's open to the general public, it's actually going to take this way of presenting prompts to us off, or maybe it's going to keep it this way. So whatever Bard said was start a blog or a website, and then also create or sell online courses, and then also sell a product, and then also offer freelance service, and then become affiliate marketer. So the fifth one was what wasn't available in ChatGPT. And then let's check out ChatGPT 2. You can see that ChatGPT also had invest cryptocurrency, which was something that was different from Bard's response. But apart from that, all these ones right here were something that was the same, offer online courses, and then Bard also presented something like offer freelance services, and then also sell products, and then also offer online courses. So I think the way they presented things to us was the same, but I saw Bard making some comments here. He said you can make money from your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, and then selling of products. And then you can here again become an affiliate marketer. So it's more or less like you being an affiliate marketer on your website and then also creating an affiliate marketer. So I think maybe Bard should have brought something different to replace it. With this, I'm going to say ChatGPT is the best comparing these two prompts right here, because when you check out ChatGPT, the way it explained everything was so much in depth that Bard was not a match to it. So you can see right here, it's giving me an extra explanation, which even when I give this to someone who doesn't know anything, they are going to be able to respond to anything, or they're going to be able to start something up and then make some money. So offering online courses, they said if you have a skill in an area such as graphic design and web development and then social media management, you can offer services to clients, and then also Freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr, and then freelancer.com can help you find clients and then also manage their project. Comparing that to Bard, where he said you can offer freelancer services. If you have a skill that other people need, you can offer freelance services online. This can include anything of writing and then web program, which he didn't give us an in-depth example. So with this one, I would say ChatGPT was very in-depth, and I'll lie to you, this one is actually a win for ChatGPT. And maybe, I don't know if Bard is actually being open to the general public, or whenever everything is done and it's out of its beta state, it's probably going to bring something better to us. But comparing the speed, I think Bard was a bit quicker with this prompt right here. I'll lie, I know you are just going to check it out. When it comes to whatever it's being presented to us, I think it's a win for ChatGPT. So in case you want to know how to use both of these AI tools and you want to know which one is better, for the meantime, I think ChatGPT is better, but Bard is actually in beta state. And in case you want to try Bard too, I'm going to leave a video in the description, which is actually going to guide you to do that. But if you are in the States, you can just go to their website and then you can actually add yourself on a wish list. And in 3 days, you're going to get an email telling you to try Bard. And that is pretty much very cool. Check this video right here in case you missed my previous video, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.